I'm going to keep 2 myself, the rest are all for sale, so if you'd like some, please be in touch. And then we'll just put them together with the others here. So I'm going to be busy putting all these up, I think. Add more. And we're getting towards the end now, there's only a few packages left inside the box. Now this is, get rid of this fluff. So Cattleya aclandia, and this is Minha, I can't make out the second word, but it's a sibling cross with 2 selected clones. So this will be a very rigorous growing clone, and it's got quite nice dark flowers, at least the parents do, so in theory the offspring should have as well. Again, a miniature Cattleya, these are actually flowering size, and you can see how big they are, you know, very small for Cattleya species. I'll just pile those up there. Oh, and there we are, the final package. Oh, final 3 packages rather. So let's see, let's start with the smallest again. The table's getting absolutely overtaken with these orchids. And this is Cattleya labiata caerulea. So another clone of Cattleya labiata, again near flowering size. And caerulea means blue. So these will be kind of, you know, blue coloured flowers. I mean, one thing Sandra specialises in are kind of Cattleya labiata and Cattleya tenebrosa. So I thought I'd take advantage of that. They're the penultimate package. This is more Cattleya mossiae, and this is the standard form of Cattleya mossiae, flowering sized. Okay, now look at these nice big lovely plants. Just pop them there. Yeah, rapidly running out of room here, but very last one now. And this is now Cattleya labiata caerulea. So Cattleya labiata was the first kind of Cattleya species discovered in 1817, which set off the orchid fever which gripped Europe for the next 100 years, another Brazilian endemic. And again, this will be the caerulea form, so kind of the flowers will be blue in colour. Again, you know, not near flowering size, this should flower next year if grown correctly. And I'm pretty sure that's all of them. Yeah, it looks like I've got everything, it's all just rubbish in there. So again, you know, lots and lots of orchids, almost all of them Laelias and Cattleyas. So thank you very much for watching. A really big thank you to Sandra from Brazil for sending me all these beautiful orchids. And as I've said, you know, if you're interested to buy any, please be in touch. To me, you can either message me on here or email me at dino91@sky.com. That's Dino, D-I-N-O, 91, as in the numbers 91 at sky.com. Yes, so thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unpackaging video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.